you playing with Mommy's iPod? Hey, all those toys and that's what you're choosing? Really? Give it back to Mommy. Give it back to Mommy. Don't cry. You still have all these other toys. Jackson, okay. Hey, do you at least get a smile? Hey, do I at least get a smile? Jackson. Hey. Give me that iPod. Oh no. Jackson. Jackson. Okay. Oh, you need your iPod. Yeah. Oh. Hey. Hi. What do you have?